show you what's in the packaging. So you have your hair right here. I'll show you guys that soon. You have a little band. This looks like a little, like a, I don't know if this is a headband or, yeah, it looks like a headband. So you get a little headband, your stocking cap, and of course, oops, this fell. You get your stocking cap, and of course you get how to take care of the hair and stuff. And I already did a review with this hair company, so if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, because that one was more in detail, because that was the first time doing a review for this company. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy started. And this here was from BEEOS here too. This one was the first year that I did from them, and there you can see, like, it's like so long lasting. Look at that. So anyways, so let's get started. I'm gonna just take this thing off. Woo! I have a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna just get little rubbing alcohol and put right here. Like to just get rid of the excess glue. So this here, it doesn't tell, it just tells you that it's a 360 wig, and it's HD. You just open it. That already come pre-plug. The hairline looks so good. Like, look at that. Let me see. I'm gonna do it on my hand. And I love this because you see how it matched in with my skin. It looks so realistic. Looks so realistic. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, and I don't even have to do nothing to this here because it's like so nice. And as I said, it's already pre-plucked. Okay. Alright, so let's just go ahead and try the hair on. I'm gonna try it on without installing it first so you guys can see. Oh nice, I like this. Let me see. Guys, so let me see. Ooh, this look nice too. Okay, okay. Tell me if you guys like this hair. I do like it. It's really soft and it looks so like it's pre-plucked already, so you don't really have to do nothing to it. Oh wow. It just feels so nice. Like this is like the best beginner friendly hair. Like lace where? Where is the lace? Right here? I'm gonna use my mousse and I'm going to lay them down. So let's just do that. Open this so it gets a little thicker. Okay, hey guys, so this is how the hair looks. This is the end result. It looks so good. I did go in and cut the baby hair a little bit because it was too much to my forehead, but it looks good. Tell me what you guys think. This hair is from BEEOS Hair, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So yeah, so if you like this hair, let me know. Leave a comment down below. So this side view, next side. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.